And that makes you boys horse thieves in my book.
Fair enough. Been out stealing horses?
No, Marshall, it couldn't have been me. I was at Sunday school all morning. When I got out, they just followed me over here.
Sunday school.
That's right.
It's Thursday.
It was early.
Is it really Thursday?
Right. You boys ain't been to a day of Sunday school in your life. Most horses are stolen and you boys are horse thieves.
Just hold it a minute, Marshall. The boys and I, well, we might have borrowed a horse a time or two, but wasn't us what took these.
All right? Who did?
Hold on a second. I'll find somebody who looks. Oh, I know who did it. I know exactly who did it. God. Whoa, did it. I didn't want to ruin your day.
Hey, Wolf. What? There's a fellow right up here with the camera and this is picture. He wants you to do a retake. All right, Trace. Where was we?
I don't know, Marshall, but we missed breakfast. Can we just skip a line or two and get all of this?
Suits me fine.
All right. Boys and I might have borrowed a horse a time or two, but it wasn't just what that took. No, no way.
All right? You didn't? Who did?
Come on, Turtle. Let's get out of this fellow's way. We only want to do this one more time. Wolf did it.
Again? What?
You landed in the horse poop.
Yeah.
You don't fall in the poop.
Yeah.
Did you get some picture that time, mister? All right, boys. It's come down to this. You ain't getting on that train today. You ain't robbing these good folks here.
Who's going to stop us?
That's going to be me.
We're not afraid of you.
You best be afraid. You ain't getting on that train.
Oh, I got news for you, Marshal. You got Ma in jail.
Marshall.
We ain't got no money. We're going to get on that train and we're going to rob, well, everybody. Oh, and another thing. If I find one of these ladies knows how to cook, it's going to get us a new
You
mom.
know how to cook. You know how to cook, Mommy.
You know what, Trace? I hate to disappoint you. I don't see two of them up here that look like they even know how to cook.
City girls?
They're all city girls.
We're going to starve.
What you're going to do right now, turn in them 6 guns, go to using them.
We'll turn them in, all right. One bullet at a time.
You ready?
Yep.
Hold it, hold it.
Hold it. You can't yell hold it in a gunfight.
We have to discuss the rules here.
It's a gunfight. There ain't no rules.
There's rules in this one.